Hey yo, I'm back for another video this morning. There's a pretty nice breeze out here. I'm going through the forest again, so I'm probably just gonna have to copy it or
We're waiting up. I got
yeah, some trees. Some trees back here. And you might hear my uncle or my cousins because they're kind of in the middle of the video. Anyways,
Hey, let's go over here and check this out, guys. Is that cool?
no, okay.
Blake, this is cool to get on your video.
Yeah. Well, there used to be a swing set here, but now it's just an ordinary park for people to sit at. And some logs. Pretty sure that's birch. Yeah. Yeah. Wait a minute! Anna, can I have that for a second? It's mine. I'm gonna shine this on the tree until it sets on fire. Okay, I'm joking. It's dumb. Just gonna. Do I even have pockets? Dang it! I'm gonna have to carry that all the way back. You know what? There. Problem solved. But yeah, it's a sunny day out. Hope you're having a good morning. And you might not see this because it's literally 8 o'clock, but yeah. Bye.